Hello, I'm your Mayor, Gustavo Camacho, with a COVID-19 update focusing on our economic recovery. COVID-19 is having a devastating impact on our local economy, and it will have a major impact to our city budget. With some businesses closed and other essential businesses operating under reduced hours, the sales tax revenue we normally collect will be drastically reduced. And with Governor Newsom's sales tax deferral for 12 months will only add to the revenue shortfall. As of today, local governments have not received much assistance. The city of Pico, Rivera has only received a little bit over $300,000 in funding for COVID-19 related matters. Local governments in California continue pushing for federal, state, and county legislation with organizations such as the League of California Cities and the California Contract Cities Association to assist us so we can continue providing city services such as police and fire protection, as well as many other important services. As we continue advocating for local government support, the City Council and I have been working daily with staff in developing an economic recovery plan. We cannot and we will not sit back and wait for assistance to arrive. We are a resilient community, and we are developing a plan that can position the city of Pico Rivera to be ready for the recovery. When this pandemic began, we quickly responded to the health and safety of our residents by declaring a state of emergency, issuing public health orders, to bringing testing centers, to developing meal programs and food distributions, to now working to support and promote our local businesses. These actions have been incorporated into our economic recovery through a respond, recover, and thrive framework. We responded by declaring a state of emergency, activated our emergency operations center, and complied with all public health orders. Initially, we asked all employees to stay at home. Then we began to phase them back in to continue providing important city services through the operations plan developed by our city manager that led to a stabilization of our city. Many employees are still working from home, while others who provide essential services are coming in. Together with staff and the City Council, we are working in developing action plans to the economic recovery by supporting our ongoing efforts. Collecting and assessing data, developing a business vulnerability index, engaging in capacity planning, and developing partnerships, all to create new programs and strategic initiatives. This will be a flexible plan that will allow us to adjust during these changing and unknown times. During this crisis, we cannot look at economic development from the traditional lens. COVID-19 has changed everything. As Peter Drucker stated, the greatest danger in times of turbulence is not the turbulence itself, but to act with yesterday's logic. With our current leadership, we will take the necessary actions to work towards a recovery that will make us stronger and more resilient than ever before, to once again become a sustainable community that we have worked so hard to become over the years. Log on to our website or our social media pages for daily updates and keep supporting our local businesses. But let's continue working together by practicing social distancing and wearing our mask. Thank you. Be safe.